In this video, I'm going to give you a close-up look at this CVLIFE bore sight and scope leveling kit. This was sent over to me for the purpose of making this video, so without further delay, let's jump right into it. The kit comes in this hard plastic case here, very suitable for transport and storage. When you open it up, you're going to find all of the content. So you got a pretty robust manual here. And probably the most valuable part of this here is the adapter guide. So basically it tells you what adapter you need for what bore size. Very helpful. You've got Allen wrenches for installing all of your different adapters and everything. So order of operations when you're installing a new scope. Basically you need to get the scope level to the rail. So that's what these here bubble levels are for. You put this one here on your Picatinny rail, you level your rifle, you put this here on top of your scope turret, and you level your scope to your rail. Very important. Once you've got that part done, then you're going to need to bore sight it, and that's what this kit is designed for. So you've got adapters from .177, basically your BB gun, all the way up through 12 gauge. And so basically with the bore sighter here, this here is set up for your smaller bores out of the gate. If you have your larger bores like your 12 gauges or your 45-70s, you put this cone on here so that you can get into the crown of those larger calibers. So basically what you're going to do, guys, you're going to choose the adapter that fits the bore that you have. This goes onto the tail, and this here is going to center the tail to the bore. The cone here on the crown centers the front of the bore sighter to your bore, and then you basically turn on your laser. This one here happens to be the red laser. You basically adjust your crosshairs to the laser, and that way when you get to the range, you're not wasting a bunch of ammo and a bunch of time trying to get sighted in. You should be on paper for the most part, and then basically you're just doing some fine tuning. So this one here is battery operated, so if you're out in the field and you don't want to be worried about whether or not you charge the bore sighter up or not, having the battery operated one, you got one battery inside, you got one as a spare. If for whatever reason you leave it on and it runs out of batteries, you have a backup that you can use out in the field. So guys, if you're looking for a very robust bore sighting kit with the scope level, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.